Please note, this is an Amazon Alexa demonstration, and the trigger phrases used throughout the video. If you are near an Alexa-enabled speaker, please consider muting it at this time. Thank you, and now, on with the video.
Hey YouTube, Gallagher123123 here with what I do believe is my first unboxing video for 2022. Now we have done a lot with the Amazon Echo on this channel, going back to April 2015 when I got early access to the first generation model. I've also reviewed the second generation when that came out in 2017, and we've also looked at a few of the Echo Dot models, including the third and second generations. Well, in this video, we're going to unbox the fourth generation Amazon Echo, the full-size model. And I ordered this on Wednesday as I'm recording this. Today's Friday, July 15th? Yeah. So I ordered this on the 13th, which was Prime Day. This was on sale for about 60 bucks, so I thought it was about time. Yeah, I've been using a lot of my Echo Dots and my second generation Echo. I thought it was about time I got something newer. So I decided I'd pick up a fourth generation Echo, and I thought it'd be kind of fun to do a quick unboxing and a bit of a first look after unboxing it and setting it up. So let's get into it. This is the front, I believe. Yeah, it says Echo. This is supposed to be like a ball shaped. I'm very curious to put my hands on this and see what it feels like. So just turn the box around. I do apologize. There's some glare from the sun there. Nothing I can really do about that. Let's see what's on there. It's probably a list of some of the features and what you can do with Alexa. And just some more stuff on the back. Now, over here it looks like there is some plasticky tape that we can remove. So, do that. Put that in the trash there. And, okay, that's a bit more here. Now, as I typically sometimes have to do, I may have to put the phone down a bit while I try and use two hands to get into this box. But as always, I will come back once I have this done. Alright, so now this seems to lift, or be, oh. This seems ready to lift unless there's some more tape. Okay, so trying to pull it off, I saw this like handle thing has just come loose, and I guess it's a little handle for picking up the box, but now that seems to want to lift back, and I can start to remove some of these items. Okay, now I'm actually gonna have to put this on the floor, I think, to see what I'm getting. Oh, hold on. Sorry, a bit of a mess here to deal with over here. Put this paper off to the side. Wow, this is it's very ball. A ball is a good descriptor of what this looks like. See if I can get this paper off slowly but surely. Again, this stuff is kind of hard to do one-handed, so. Wow, check it out. That does look quite a bit different. Oh, yeah. And the buttons feel different, too. So it looks like you have your plus and minus, which must be for volume. And then there's a square, or like a diamond-shaped button, and a round button. So once we get this plugged up, we'll have an idea what these buttons do. So, let me put my hand into the box. Let's see what else I can. Okay, I feel some papers in there, but where is the plug? So, putting the box up and looking through it, it looks like we have another box which might have, or does have, the plug, which I am starting to feel come out now, and the cable. So let's get those out. So very interesting. It's a white plug for a black Echo. That's very interesting. You'd think the plug would match, but I suppose that's not too bad. All right, let's get this rubber band off. Okay, now that we got the plug, I'll see where it goes in the Echo. This must be it right here. Let's see. I think that plug goes in here. Let's just... Are there two? Okay, we got it. There are two holes. It might be an auxiliary slot next to that. So it's actually kind of cool. But it feels to be in quite secure. So now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick this all up and bring it over with me to my bureau, which is where this is going to go. So, let's head over there now. So we're here now, which is where this is going to go. And what I'm going to do, real quick, is unplug my second generation Echo Dot, which I have on top of my little power strip. That's actually something I should review for you guys. It's a power strip I have that has 8 wall outlets and then 6 USB ports. It is beautiful. I'm never worried about running out of space to plug something in or anything like that. It's quite nice. Now, let me go ahead and pick up this plug and try to get it. Beautiful. Got the plug in my hand, and I'm going to plug it in, see which way it goes in. Okay. I think that's in right. Oh yeah, I see the blue light. Now, I have this linked with my Amazon account, so let's see what happens.
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Hola, vamos a empezar. Instala la app de Alexa y sigue las instrucciones.
Bonjour, votre appareil est prêt pour la configuration. Téléchargez l'application Alexa et suivez les instructions.
Bringing your device online. Just a moment.
Oh, maybe we won't need to use the app. Let's see.
Your Echo is ready.
Wow, all right.
Nice work. I have a few top things for you to try on your new Echo. Let's get started. I can translate words and phrases for you. Try saying, how do you say happy birthday in Spanish?
How do you say happy birthday in Spanish?
Happy birthday in Spanish is
Feliz cumpleaños.
great. You can ask me to translate words and phrases anytime. Here's something different to try. If you're looking for ways to protect your home, I can help. Want to learn more about Guard?
No.
No problem. You can always set this up later in the mobile app. Here's something new I can do. Reordering things you frequently purchase on Amazon is easy with me. Just say what you need and I'll quickly find it. Let's try it out for practice. Say, reorder coffee.
Reorder coffee.
Great. Easily reorder with me in the future when you're running low, and I'll add it to your cart. That's it for now. Let's celebrate with a dance party. To play music on all your devices at the same time with the Everywhere group, just tell me to play music everywhere.
So it seems to be working. But I have a notification. Let's see. Alexa, read notification.
One new notification from Amazon Shopping. Last month, you bought OtterBox iPhone case on Amazon.
Oh.
How many stars would you rate it? From 1 to 5.
5.
Thanks. Your rating will help other customers make better choices.
Cool. So it sounds pretty good, honestly. And as you saw, it brought me right online. I think once it detected that my Fire TV, which is over here in its new location, was here, it recognized it and was able to just connect me. So I did not have to use the Alexa app. Very nice indeed, because while I don't mind using the app, if I don't have to, I won't. I mean, it's quite nice to be able to just plug this right in and have it ready for use. Alright, let's just give it a few quick commands to hear how it's sounding. Actually, first let's see about these buttons. Now the nice thing is you can feel the shape of these buttons, so I'm assuming, indeed, that the plus shaped button is for volume up, and the minus shaped is for volume down. Now, what about this circle button? Oh, that's the action button, I suppose. Yep, okay, so that is your action button, and then across from that is your mute key. So that is very straightforward. Now, let's try some commands. Now, as a reminder, I know you heard this at the beginning of the video through my disclaimer. Thank you, Daniel, for doing that. That we will be using the trigger phrase, so please make sure your devices are muted, because I am not responsible if I end up purchasing something. So, for you all. Or any weird things happen. So, anyway, here we go. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 5:42 p.m.
Alexa, what's the weather like?
The current weather is 74 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun. Tonight, you can look for just a few clouds in the sky, with a low of 65 degrees.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
What do you call a wizard in a frat house? An abracadabra.
Wow. Alexa, play the album A State of Mind by Andre Louis.
I couldn't find that on Amazon Music.
Okay, Alexa, play the album A State of Mind by Andre Louis on Apple Music.
I can't find the album A State of Mind by Andrea Louis on Apple Music.
Oh no. Alexa, play A Ticket to Quietness by Andre Louis.
Playing Andre Rio.
No.
For over 90 million songs on demand, say try Amazon Music Unlimited. I couldn't find A Ticket to Quietness by Andre Rio, but here is other music by Andre Rio.
That's not what. Wow. Hold on. Alexa, stop. Ooh, that sounded really good. So I can't get it to play an album right now. I have to double check on a few settings, but it does seem to be working, and I'm loving the sound on this. Wow. Let's see. Just to hear how this would sound. Alexa, change voice.
Okay, you're all set. I'll be the voice you hear when you speak to this device. If you'd like to change how you wake me up, you can also change your wake word.
I like that. It sounds great on that speaker. Alexa, what's the weather like for Sunday?
Here's the forecast for Sunday, July 17th. Look for lots of clouds, with a high of 87 degrees Fahrenheit and a low of 69 degrees.
Alexa, change voice.
Okay, you're all set. I'll be the voice you hear when you speak to this device.
Fantastic. Alright, well that is a quick look at the Amazon Echo 4th generation. This came out in the fall of 2020, by the way, so it's not that new or old. But I really like it. Wow. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet with some of the 2nd generation units I have. because I got them for the whole house. I think I'll probably get rid of some because where I am now, I don't have the space to put them everywhere. Okay, so that is an unboxing and first look at the Amazon Echo 4th generation. Very glad I ordered this. It's something I've been curious about for quite a while, so it's good to finally be able to check it out and hear how it sounds. Okay, well, stay tuned. I have a lot of other cool videos planned, so you won't want to miss them. But thank you for watching, and I will see you in an upcoming video.
We hope you have enjoyed this video. If so, please subscribe for more, and feel free to comment. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, at Gallagher123123. Thank you for watching, and we will see you soon.